Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix the LG fridge code FF. But first, what does the error code FF mean? The code FF indicates an issue with the freezer or refrigerator fan compartment. The following are some of the common causes of this error: abnormal functioning of the fan motor, or the fan is locked due to ice formation around it. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Hard restart the unit. Cut the power supply to the appliance for at least 2 minutes before reconnecting. Defrosting the refrigerator. Unplug the unit, remove all food, and remove the ice bin. Leave it disconnected from the main supply and its door wide open for at least 8 hours. Place towels in and around the unit to soak up water from defrosting. After all the ice has melted, use a dry towel to dry up any moisture. Close the appliance's doors and replug it. Wait for 48 hours for normal functioning. If the code persists, the appliance will require a repair service. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.